Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of long videos not showing on Facebook. So stick around till the end to learn simple troubleshooting steps to resolve this problem. So let's get started. First things first, open the Facebook app on your device, and once you're on the app, click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. In the menu, you will find the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on it, and this will open a new page. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down to the preferences section and then look for the tab labeled as tab bar. So tap on it and you will land on screen like this. Here you will see two options. So choose customize the bar, and here you will see list of available shortcuts, and here you will see the video section is set to auto. So click on it and change it to hide. Once you're done, go back and restart the Facebook app. After restarting, go back to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines and then scroll down and you will find the video section. Click on it and now you will see long videos displayed right away. And that's it. This quick fix should help you view long videos on Facebook. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.